Hello guys, what's up and welcome to CR Gamer. This is Omkar and welcome to the new Pokemon Emerald Randomizer Nuzlocke. Let's get started. So let's start let's do the text speed too fast and let's start the new game. Let me just lower the volume. Hi, Sword Scarecrow White. Welcome to the world of Pokemon. My name is Birch, but everyone calls me the Pokemon Professor. This is what we call a Pokemon. And he has Voltorb in his Pokeball, so this is all randomized. This whole world is randomized, everyone is randomized. Even the starters are randomized. So let's see what surrounds us. So we are officially playing the boy character, as you know, and I'm gonna go ahead and enter my name, which is Omkar. So hello everybody, here I am for you. So yeah, my name is Omkar. Yep, it is Omkar. Alright, are you ready? The very old adventure is about to unfold. Take courage and leap into the world of Pokemon where dreams, adventure and friendships await. Well, I'll be expecting you later. Come see in my Pokemon lab. So we have shrunk for all eternity to start the adventure of our first ever randomizer Nuzlocke. This is my first ever randomizer Nuzlocke and it's on first on channel. So the truck has stopped and let's go into the open world. And hey, there's a mommy. Yeah, we know. You couldn't have space in the car, that is why you just put in this in truck. That's the worst thing about Pokemon Emerald. So there are a couple of bigger rods are working. I don't think that's randomized. Alright, so we'll just go to our room and set the clock. But first of all, let me go to the PC and take the potion that is there. Because I need potions in this. Because weak Pokemon are coming out. And I'm just gonna do that. I mean, I don't care about the time limit because it's not gonna affect our actual game. Yeah, alright, whatever. So G's got into this. So this is like the basic introduction part and I'm just gonna skip this by just spamming the A buttons as long as I can. Yeah, whatever. Alright. So she says that we need to introduce ourselves to Professor Birch who lives next door. So let's go into the house of Professor Birch. Professor Birch's house, obviously. And hey, it is Professor Birch's wife. Oh, hello, and you are? Oh, you're Omkar, a new next door neighbor. Hi. We have a daughter about to see Major. Our daughter was excited about making friends. Our daughter's upstairs, I think. Alright. So let's go up. And we just go to the computer. Pokemon Trainer School, Pokemon one of the foremost just name is the basic instruction stuff we don't know. And hey, here she comes. Alright, so she's helping her dad catch some wild Pokemon and now it's our time to get our starters and I'm really excited what's gonna be our chances. And here's this little girl who's telling us something. There are scary Pokemon outside. And what the heck is happening with him? Oh, he's getting bullied by a Zigzagoon. But normally in Pokemon Emerald, it is a Poochyena. So whatever. But let's see, this is the moment. We have the Sealand Pokemon Dugong. We have the Leaf Pokemon Bayleaf. And we have Magikarp. What are you gonna choose? We're gonna go with... You're gonna be surprised, it's gonna be Dugong! I picked Dugong because, I don't know, I'm not picking up Bayleaf. I don't know for some reason, but whatever. So we have a Dugong, and it already knows 4 moves, which is heck of a convenience. Let's just go with Headbutt. The normal type move, it should do a couple of damage. This time, we got for another Headbutt. And boom, she goes down. He goes down. Sorry for that. We gained 17 XP points. That was nothing. And whew, I was in the wrong class setting by Pokemon when I was jumped. Shape me hacked a lot. Oh, hi, your home car. It's not the place to touch. Come by my Pokemon lab later, okay? Alright, so I think that was a video battle earlier. You built it up with a block. I guess you have your father's blood in your veins after all. Oh yes, thanks for rescuing me. I'd like to have your Pokemon you used earlier. Oh, he received the Dugong. Nice. Oh yeah. Well, you added, why not give a nickname to that Dugong? So this is a randomizer Nuzlocke, so yes, we have to give him nicknames. What am I gonna name him, you ask? What should I name him? That's the question. Let's just name him Ken. Name him Ken. I don't know why, it just came to me. Alright, so don't blame me for a nickname. Because we're gonna have lots more. Oh, sorry, no. Ken. Alright. Yep. It's a good idea to see me. And let's go. And we don't have the Pokeballs. So the randomizer Nuzlocke hasn't started. So I'm just gonna explain the rules. But I know that most of you guys know the rules. But still I'm gonna explain them. So what happens is that you have to catch every Pokemon you see. If you already catching that Pokemon, you have enough choices. If you don't catch it, and let's see what the first Pokemon is going to be. Lombre. That is weird. That's a weird guy. I mean, whatever. So yes, I'm gonna battle this guy because for XP points. Let's just yeah. So where was I? Oh yes. So you have to catch the first Pokemon you see, and you have to nickname every Pokemon. And that's all. All the items are randomized. Even the gym leaders Pokemon are randomized. Let's see what this next. Okay, so we have reached Oldale Town. That's nice. A cute little town. And now we just need to go up to Route 103 to battle May and get the basic introduction out of this game. We found what is this? A ladybug. Alright, that's weird. Alright, I think it's let's just use Aurora Beam. I think it's a flying bug. It's a bug flying type. So that's gonna look. I think Ken is gonna help us with a lot of Pokemon, since a lot of Pokemon at the starting are normally bug types, and I don't know what's gonna happen in the future as well. So Dugong, I think, is gonna help us a lot. And the main reason I picked up because I hate Bailey, by the way. Let's see the Pokemon from include. Oh hi Omgar, I see my dad give us a Pokemon as a gift. Let's have a quick battle and give you a taste of what being a trainer is like. Let's go. First battle in the Hoenn region. First trainer battle, not wild battle. Oh, she has a Bailey. Oh yeah, you're done. You're going down. Yep, we have the type advantage. We're gonna use the Aurora Beam on this. And boom, it goes. One hit KO. That's why I didn't pick up Bailey. We can turn off XP, go to level 7, and we defeated Preschool Dahlia. What? She's named. Whatever, I don't care about the names actually. We know she's named. Alright. It's time to head back to the lab. Okay, we also gotta go because there is no wild Pokemon appearing now. So we can go anywhere. He's waiting for us there, and yeah, whatever, let's just hurry home, get the basic introduction part out, receive the Pokeballs, and hopefully make a good episode. So I think the Pokemon Platinum series was fine, but I'm not playing it right now. I'm playing the randomizer Nuzlocke because I very like it. Okay, so let's go. Oh hi Omkar, I heard you beat me on your first try. That's excellent. There's an extensive history as a trainer already. Here Omkar, I would just say from my research, but I think you should have this Pokédex. They received the Pokédex, nice! The Pokédex is a high-tech tool that automatically makes a record of any Pokemon you meet or catch. My kid May goes everywhere with it. Whenever my kid catches a rare Pokemon, records its data in the Pokédex, while May looks while I'm out doing fieldwork and shows me. Or whatever, just give me the, yeah, we have obtained the Pokeballs. And you know what? Let's end this episode with catching our first Pokemon. Yeah, that'll be good. That'll be so good. It better not be a grass type, like a Lombre or something. I don't want to catch a Lombre right now. And hey, our mommy is there waiting for us. We got the running shoes, very good. We got the Pokeball, we got the Pokédex, we got the running shoes. What we need at the start of a Pokemon journey. Alright, let's go. Thank you, mommy. I'll come back to your home. Alright, so now we have to catch a first Pokemon, and I'll just end this episode because this episode is not getting too long. And it's a no, no, it's a Voltorb. I'm not catching it. Please, bye. I'm running away. Nah, I'm not gonna catch that one. Alright, so thank you guys so much for watching this one. If you like it, please like it. Hope you subscribe and stay tuned for my Pokemon Hard Gold Randomizer vlog, which I will upload every Tuesday and Thursday, and I'll upload this every Saturday and Monday. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next episode. Goodbye.